On tonight's episode of Shadows and Sightings, we're going to be talking about the Yuki-onna. In Japanese winter folklore, there's a spirit called the Yuki-onna, the snow woman. She appears during the coldest nights, floating over fresh snow, pale skin glowing like moonlight, black hair whipping in the storm. Travelers say that she doesn't leave footprints, she doesn't breathe, and she doesn't blink. She just stares. Cue the Jasper stare right here. So she just stares with eyes colder than the wind itself. And sub-legends say that she wanders looking for warmth she can no longer feel. That took a dark turn. Others say that she's the final vision that people see before freezing to death. But everyone agrees on one thing. If the Yuki-onna smiles at you, you won't survive until the morning.